story of child elephant meat, inspired by Rumi's Masnavi. In a dry, silent land, a group of travelers walked under the burning sun. Their bodies were weak, their stomachs empty, their hunger dangerous. They were not thinking clearly. They were not kind. They were just desperate. As they walked, they saw something. A few baby elephants, soft, innocent, playing nearby. Just then, an old wise man appeared. He looked at them with care in his eyes and said, "Don't touch those babies. They are not yours. Their mother is close. If you hurt them, she will find out, and she will not forgive you." The travelers looked at him in silence. The old wise man continued, "Sometimes what looks easy to take comes with a heavy cost. Taking what doesn't belong to you always ends badly. Even when no one sees you, someone still knows." One of the travelers felt the truth in those words. He stepped back. He chose not to eat. But the others, they were too hungry to care. They killed the baby elephants. They cooked the meat. They laughed. They ate until their stomachs were full. And then they went to sleep. But the one man who listened, he stayed awake. His heart was not at peace. He remembered the warning. He watched the stars in silence. Suddenly, the ground shook. A loud cry filled the night sky. The mother had returned. She moved through the camp like a storm. She sniffed each mouth, looking for the smell of her children. One by one she found them. The ones who ate, the ones who laughed. She crushed them in rage and pain. But when she came to the man who didn't eat, she sniffed him once, twice, thrice. He had no smell of meat, so she let him live. In the morning, only silence remained. The man sat in shock. The old wise man returned and said, "This is what happens when you follow desire and ignore the truth. And one day, it will be our turn. On the day of judgment, our actions will carry a scent. Just like the mother elephant smelled every mouth, our deeds will speak for us. We stared at what wasn't ours, just like they stared the baby elephant with what wasn't theirs. We touch what is forbidden and wonder why punishment comes. We lie and wonder why trust is lost. We steal and wonder why our homes feel empty. We take unlawful money and wonder why our children grow distant. We cheat and wonder why our hearts are never calm. We break promises and wonder why our prayers go unanswered. And the angels, they also write down what we do. The quiet lies, the secret looks, the deals done in darkness. Because everything we do leaves a mark, a smell. You may hide your sins from the world, but you cannot hide its smell from the one who created you. Judgment Day is real, and it is coming. We bring you the pure essence of hidden wisdom, buried beneath time and lost in the noise of this restless world. If our work reached your heart, don't walk away. Stay with us. Subscribe to Eternal Soul Purity.